Hello, I'm Michael Anderson, Editor-in-Chief with Battery Technology, and welcome to this Battery Technology Fast Chat. Today, we are talking with Jimmy Seifert, VP of Product Management with TestEquity. Jimmy, it's great to have you here today.
Oh, thank you, Michael. And first off, I'd like to say, on behalf of TestEquity, we really appreciate the time and conversation. So thank you very much.
Oh, it's a pleasure.
Yeah. Like you mentioned, I'm VP of Product Management for three business segments: Test and Measurement, Test Chambers, and Jensen Toolkits. So to elaborate a little bit further, our company, we really invest a lot of time and capital in the efforts to really understand the challenges, the technical requirements, the innovative technology and products that are faced by engineers. And we kind of use that knowledge and basic understanding to support the product lifecycle.
Can you give us an overview of how TestEquity and Hisco Precision Converting support the entire electronics lifecycle?
Yes, I'd absolutely love to. Thank you very much. In its pure basic form, the product lifecycle has an electronics design element to it. Then there's factory production and assembly, and then we move into the repair, maintenance, kind of end of life. I'll take a couple of moments and focus on really the key and most important part: the design element, concept, prototype, and start of the product lifecycle. From TestEquity's perspective, when it comes to that section, testing of products is absolutely essential. That could be anything as fundamental as debugging a circuit or reconditioning the environmental, taking a look at environmental conditions and testing product performance. And for that, the solution that TestEquity has pulled together is a complete and largest actually in the world of test and measurement devices and environmental chambers. And it's supported by the premium leaded technology brands such as Keysight, Tektronix, Fluke, and our own brand of chambers as well. And then thank you, sir. And then the second piece of it is when we look at Hisco Precision Controls. In the design stage, our customer base really often needs customized solutions when it comes to thermal management of products. Maybe adhesive bonding needs specialization, any type of shielding of products and vibration management. And again, the Hisco Precision Converting Group has customized solutions, and we're supported by the world's leading brands, such as 3M.
Yeah, big names. Yeah. So how do your test chambers specifically benefit engineers working on battery technologies?
Yeah, thank you, Michael. That's a great question. And really, our test chambers, they're essential for the work that the engineers are doing on battery technologies, because they simulate the environmental conditions that batteries may encounter during their life cycle. And then when we test these batteries under the extreme conditions like temperature, humidity, engineers can ensure that they have reliability and safety of their products. And our chambers are designed to simulate those conditions. And one big advantage that we have is we are one of the few distributors that stock a wide range of chambers, and people can get shipments even next day to really tighten up their time to market needs.
Wow. Now that's great. So what unique solutions does Hisco Precision Converting offer that can help engineers with automotive and e-mobility technology?
Yeah, well, Michael, that's a great question, and the reality is it's a big yeah, it certainly is. And the reality is, sir, is that every solution is custom. Mm-hmm. And that's the unique part about the business, that the engineers on staff and the design teams can offer services anywhere from like precision die cutting, slitting, and lamination of materials that are used in the insulation and packaging, to EMI, RFI shielding, thermal management, and even sound dampening. And our we have a really unique expertise in flexible material converting that ensures the engineers receive components that meet the real specific design needs. And working in partnership, we could almost come up with any solution needed in this area.
That's great. Everything is tailor-made. Nothing is off the rack, it sounds like.
Yeah, that's the optimal phrase there, sir.
Can you share an example of how TestEquity and Hisco have worked together to solve a complex engineering challenge for a customer?
We were working with a major electronics manufacturer, and through their design cycle, they were having some issues with thermal management in their devices. So it was running a little too hot, right? What we did is offered the TestEquity chambers, and it measured the performance and the heat of the device. While at the same time, Hisco Precision Converting, they designed and provided the custom thermal interface materials and some precision die cut materials, components as well. So together, we pulled together the materials to stop it, the measurement device in the chambers, and they were able to bring a more efficient, cost-effective product to market at a faster pace. Well, it's fast because we stock everything, right? We're a stocking distributor, so it makes a lot of sense.
That's brilliant, brilliant. Well, that's all the time we have for today. I've been speaking with Jimmy Seifert with TestEquity, and thank you so much for joining us, Jimmy, for this battery technology fast chat.
Thank you very much, Michael. I genuinely appreciate your time.